Do you know how expensive it is to actually travel with 7 people overseas? It's ridiculous. So a lot of people don't think about this when they're having children. Actually, it's just the natural progression of life that we're taught, or society teaches us, or whatever you want to call it, that we should graduate high school, go to college, maybe not go to college, get some sort of extra degree. Either way, get into a position, start working, buy a house, and then of course get married and have 2.5 children. Nobody actually has the discussion of should you have children, when you should have children in accordance to your finances. In fact, children are extremely expensive, especially in today's world. And if you've been on TikTok at all, you've already seen the people saying they're spending, $1,000 on, daycare, diapers, formula, extra food, doctor care. It doesn't matter. Every single thing about children is expensive. However, we just sort of fall into it because, well, I love you and you love me. And so people that love each other do certain things and kids happen. So let's just do it. You wouldn't allow, someone just to show up your house and to drop a BMW in the front of your house and a $900 monthly payment and be like, okay, yeah, that's cool. I'll just figure it out. So why would you allow something that is equally as expensive, like a child or 2 children or 3 children or heck, 5 children, just to jump into your life without being financially responsible or really doing that calculation? Before you have children, before you start to think about it, do all the other things. It doesn't really matter. But before you decide, you need to be setting up yourself financially for how much that person's going to cost. I recommend that you do the things that you need to be doing at least 6 months in advance before you even think about conceiving. This way, you're about a year in already saving and putting money away and so forth, so that when that child comes, it's already a natural part of your life and you already know that you can afford it. What do I mean by that? I mean putting money away already in a 529 program for the child's and for their college. I mean already putting money aside, thinking that you're going to have some sort of daycare. Even if that's 2 years down the road, you're already putting money and saving that because you're getting used to that payment. I'm saying already putting money away when you go grocery shopping. Just don't buy it for you and your spouse or you and your boyfriend, whatever your situation is. Go in and set aside an additional $30 a week for that extra person. When you can go to the grocery store and set aside an extra $30, when you can actually put out, $500 to $1,000 a month for extra care, when you can go and put in an extra $200 for a 529, that is when you're financially sound and you're ready to have children.